My name is Murad bin Mahmoud. I'm the Director of Application Integration within Solmax. I live in Montreal. Solmax is the world's leading geosynthetics manufacturer. We have 19 plants across the world, and we have around 2,000 employees that's currently working with Solmax. We have implemented D365 for finance and operations, and we also have 3 instances of the D365 for sales or customer engagement, one for each of the regions, AMS, EMEA, and APAC. We had a phased approach where we implemented D365 first in AMS, then EMEA, and closely in APAC. In Solmax, we implemented the trainers approach, and we leverage more some SMEs, users. Those SMEs were in charge of passing the knowledge to the other users. So they basically record videos about some of the basic processes, call to cash, procure to pay, and we used those as reference for the training, for the onboarding of the new employees after the implementation. Of course, this has come with some challenges. It was difficult for us to make updates to those lengthy videos, and the partner that helped us with the implementation, even though they tried, but it's not in their DNA, if I can say, to train the users. We started the partnership with Item by Item, and we had access to the online platform that was very helpful, and we added some users at first just to test out the platform, of course. Meanwhile, with the executive team and with some of the users, we have received some requests to have in-person training. Knowing that we are a manufacturer, that our users base was lean to in-person training, we decided to engage in such initiative. And with this, we have gathered a number of users in one platform to receive this in-person training, and that constituted the start of our hybrid training with Item by Item. The initiative for the in-person training was a great success. The in-person training took place, and we have gathered a lot of users from different business departments, and I must say that the instructors provided by Elif have been very, very professional. They are very knowledgeable, and that showed up on the reaction of the users as well as the managers that attended the training. But also, this have been heard so much in the company that other plants and other departments asked for this initiative to be repeated within the company. Now that we have the platform, it's difficult for me to look back and try to imagine what we have been through without it. Of course, there is a ton of content online, and users could access it for free. Of course, the implementation partner could help with the training, but that doesn't compare to the experience that we have with the platform now. It has a very structured content in a perfect online platform where you can track your progress, but where we can also monitor the progress of the users. It has a multitude of updated content. Actually, just this is more than efficient and more than enough to justify such a partnership. Microsoft is constantly changing its product, and the fact that we don't need even to worry about the training content that is constantly updated by item is such a good benefit for this platform. The other thing is that the content does have small videos. All the videos are short, and that enables the users to jump between the content easily. Of course, there is also a concept definition and concept explanation videos. And maybe one of the best feature about the platform is the assessments. Small quiz that just assess the user's progress towards the knowledge that is provided in the platform. Doing a D365, an ERP implementation is must incorporate a change management process. The training is one of the most important part of this process. I would definitely recommend item by item platform for various reasons. First, there is the platform and its content, its updated content, and its videos. That's a must for any alike project for D365 ERP implementation. Secondly, the service that we are receiving is amazing. I am viewing this as long-lasting partnership, and I cannot say the same for every partner I worked with.
Hi, my name is Sheldon, and I'm EOP manager at Solmax. I'm based in Houston, Texas. Yeah, I really recommend IBI platform training because as a user, as a support, then I think IBM platform training is really good because its video is short, so you can go back and relearn it. Same thing like we have assessment tests, so that's where you do your knowledge. You can learn, you can take the test before, you see how much your knowledge, and then you can come back and train, read them again. And one good thing is it's a short video, so user can come back. For me myself, even if I know the system, but I still go back here and there. So to learn, go back some of the lesson because you not know everything. So, but at least you get IBM platform some section where you can go back and learn them.